If you have lots of open tabs in your browser, then Chrome will allow you to organise your tabs into groups, which makes it a lot easier to find and manage lots of open tabs. I will use just 5 open tabs to demonstrate Chrome's tab groups. I've put this tab into a tab group. You will see that there is a grey dot next to the tab and the tab title is outlined in grey. This indicates that the tab is now in the grey tab group. You can drag another tab into the tab group. A grey border appears around the tab to show that when you drop the tab, it will be in the grey tab group. You can also decide whether to drop the tab before or after the existing tab in the group. You can edit the tab group by right-clicking the tab group colour. This displays the same list of options that were available when you created the new tab group. The grey dot is the default colour. You can change to any of the colours in the list. You can also name the group, and the name will be displayed in the tab group. You can also use emojis. In Windows 10, press the Windows key and the dot at the same time and then type, and the emoji window will show a selection of emojis that match the word that you type. Click on the emoji that you like, click Escape to exit the emoji selector, and then type Return to close the Group tab edit window. Click on the News tab group and the tabs in the group will be hidden. Note that the Visible tab changes to another tab because the Visible tab cannot be a tab that is hidden in the tab group. Click on the tab group again to unhide the tab group. You will need to click on one of the tabs in the tab group to make it the Visible tab. Tabs that you have pinned cannot be in a tab group. If you pin a tab that is in a tab group, it will be removed from the tab group, and if it is the last tab in the tab group will be deleted. I have just quickly created another tab group for the 2 Google tabs. If you close a tab group, this hides all the tabs in the tab group, so if you are currently displaying one of these tabs, when you close the tab group, the Visible tab will change to the tab that is to the right of the closed tab group. Or, if there are no tabs to the right of the tab group, the tab to the left of the tab group is viewed. You can also drag a tab group to create a new window. You can also drag a tab group from one Chrome window to another Chrome window.